This is my review for the GoKeep 1800w folding electric bike. I'm trying to record and ride it here. I'm taking it pretty slow. I'll go faster later. But as you can see, it's got a pretty bare bones controller on the front. Just shows your battery indicator and then your power assist level. I have it on like the lowest level. The power assist is pretty smooth. When you pedal, you can feel the motor start to kick in. It's pretty great. I've had it for a couple days now and used it quite a bit. I got this thing for $600 on Amazon. I bought two of them for my wife and I think it's listed for $700, and right now they have a coupon for about $100. So got a good deal on it. It's fairly budget compared to the electric, and you can see where they made the cutbacks on these. So like the controller, very bare bones. A lot of the higher end ones will have a digital display where you can see the mile per hour. Not this one. It's also got these mechanical disc brakes, which yeah, not enough stopping power for like how heavy this thing is. So you gotta kind of be mindful of that when you're driving. Yeah, and you definitely have to tune the brakes when you're putting this together. Pretty easy to put together, by the way, but yeah, the brakes are probably the worst part. You have to watch a YouTube video on how to tune the mechanical brakes so they can actually stop. But overall, yeah, great bike for the money. You can see I mounted this kind of storage tote back here to put my dog in. Yeah. Took it on a long ride yesterday, and it did great. It had plenty of battery life. I haven't found a way to unlock the speed yet. I believe it's capped at 20 or 28 miles an hour, which when you're riding it, I mean, it feels fine. If you want to get something that goes faster than that, you're going to have to spend more money. But it definitely has enough power to get up hills. I'll show a video later. And yeah, it breaks down here. This folds down, so it can fold down like that, and then it also folds in the middle right here. It's got lights on the front and back, and a 7-speed shifter. So for the money, it's hard to find something better than this. I mean, this it's just about perfect. For $600, it's great. Gets me down to our beach and back up this big hill, no problem. And it fits the dog. So you can see I just have it set on 2 out of 5 right now. It's because I'm driving with one hand. And yeah, I need to be kind of careful, but there's a big hill coming up. So I'm gonna set it to 5 and show you how hard it is to pedal up it. You just need like a little bit of pedaling input. I mean, I'm sure you could make it up there with just the motor, but I'd be scared of like burning out the motor or overheating it or something like that, especially with the Chinese quality, you know. So this is a big hill, and yeah, oh shit, it's hard to do this with one hand, but let me try to show you the trees. Yeah, this is pretty tough with one hand, but I got it in the highest gear right now, and I'm not like standing up on it. Like if you were doing this with no motor, it would be pretty much impossible. You need to push the bike up. So yeah, pretty great. Also, you got the throttle here. I don't know if I showed that yet, but it's a twist throttle. And yeah, it does a good job in general. I still got the dog with me on the back too. So that's a lot of weight. I'm about 200 pounds, so it's a lot of weight going up this big hill. So to cap off this video here, I got the other bike in the garage, my wife's. It's just the same in green and without the bucket, so it's a little prettier. But yeah, it's pretty easy to take out the battery. Just kind of flip up this seat, turn the key to unlocked, and then this whole battery comes out here, and you can bring it over to your charging station and you plug it in here. Yep. So I have an issue with one of these chargers, and I reached out to the manufacturer. So we'll see. They replied once, but they asked for like order number and stuff, and they were kind of confused about the issue. It's just not charging to 100% with one of the chargers. So hopefully they'll send me a new one. We'll see. And I also asked them if there's a way to take off the speed cap, so it's not capped to 28 miles an hour. So we'll see if they get back to me about that. I don't think there's a way to do it without replacing the controller, which is in here. So yeah, great bikes for the price. Highly recommend.